Damn. I feel like there's something wrong with the car. Oh yeah. It's this right here. This is wrong. You're not supposed to be here. There we go. That's better. Let's do a little cold start for you guys. So I'm starting off the vlog a little bit earlier than usual. It's currently literally 6. I don't have much to do like this afternoon, but I'm sure I'm gonna pick up this vlog later tomorrow in the morning. I have a lot of things to do, so but I'm just gonna start it off today. I'm pulling up. I'm gonna take some quick pictures of the car for the Instagram. You know what? We're gonna be in first gear getting inside this garage. Holy cow!
So that shit like if I was selling it for a junk 60. No, it was dead, nigga. That motor was no saving.
That boy sold his car for $300. If you guys want a fast car, just get a GTI and tune it, and you're already plus 100 horsepower. Just letting you guys know. Compared to this, you pay like 3 grand for bolt-ons, and this thing still eats you. Alright, so now we're letting him drive my car, because you know, nobody here got manuals but me. Yeah! Yeah! Clutch kick! Let's see. Let's take a test. Oh, yeah, that's not good. I'm not gonna lie, boys, this Miata looking kind of thick. Look at the meat on that. Time to cover her up. I know tomorrow is supposed to be gonna rain the whole day, so I gotta put that bumper on. Damn, woman at the stop sign had to hit her, you feel me? Well, time to help this kid out because he got a flat. Hello, sir. Let me see that. Golly, boy.
Oh, nice though.
Oh shit, that shit blew up though.
Look at this shit.
Yo.
It's the funniest shit.
4,000 people that fix this damn tire. I don't know how that's looking there. Well guys, it's currently the next day. Woke up very early today because gotta get a lot of stuff done. And yes, I did sleep over at my boy's house. Look at that nice, good sunrise. Let's get this cold start in. Not that cold. What are we driving? Yeah, you know the vibes. Alright, boys. My steering wheel got to put the windows down. It's gonna be a pretty loud coaster. Hello? Jesus Christ. Alright guys, so we are currently going to the Infiniti dealership because we're gonna get some hinges for my boy's G37 car.
Yes, sir.
So basically the story about that car, he got in a little accident. Here's some pictures real quick. Yeah, pretty wrecked, but it's in the process right now. We're getting fixed and stuff, but we're gonna go pick up the hinges because Infiniti has it for us ready. And that's basically what we need to put on the hood, but we kind of still need the hood, and I'm driving the box. So we're gonna see what today takes us. This boy got like that almost 4-inch or 3. That shit look like mine. This one, very nice, very nice, very nice. Come on, let's go make sure that we didn't get a ticket on our car. Oh yeah? Got the intakes on. Intakes are new. Damn, bro.
Yeah.
Thank God we took that out. We need some new tires. We're gonna get some new tires right now. Alright guys, so just to catch up on what's going on right now, so basically he needs hinges for his car in order to put on the hood. The hood is still not here. We have to go back to Infiniti because apparently they gave us the wrong hinges, and then we went to go pick up the wheels of the car because the back wheels were like basically blown, and we came here. We dropped off the wheels so they could get it fixed. That way we could take the wheels to the shop to take out the car, because we're not gonna leave the car in the shop anymore because it's been there for way too long and the hood is taking way too long too. So basically the update.
And to come back here and then to go back.
And to come back here and to go back and then to take out all the cars that are in that shop.
Bro, they don't even have engines in them.
We gotta pull them. It's gonna be horrible. Damn dog, you think that camera will stay on long enough? That thing's gonna fall any second on you. We called it.
I'm tired of this shit.
Bruh, so long to get a fucking hood for this car, bro. Should be looking pretty clean, not gonna lie. He got tinted, he's tinted hella. That boy looking hella clean with that little white body. Ew. God, me. Take a look at the, look at them. Brand new, boy.
4 cheeseburgers, no pickles, no onions.
Yeah.
Bacon to any of them.
Yeah, my first time eating checkers. Gotta take a look at it.
Carbon on the other end is G35.
Damn, fool.
What is this? G35 Nation or what? Look at G37 with a hood. Wait, nigga, there has to be. Yo, that junkyard.
You wanna stop by?
Yeah.
You think they have a hood?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, good. Checkers. Pretty good sandwich. Damn, dog. Lean or what? Yeesh. We have never installed lights before, so this is gonna be fun. That shit looking clean though. Got the headlights on. Now we need to get the front fender liners on, bumper, no hood, and then we're gonna go to the shop. Alright, we're gonna turn the car. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Get on, baby, get on, baby. Ooh. Boy, you got no gas. But look, we got her on. Somewhat. Bumper, that's always how they come out. Horrible. It's just whatever. It's just temporary right now. We got the headlights on. We don't have any bulbs. But once we get to the shop, we're gonna get everything else fixed. But that's how she's looking right now, man. So, I'm like super I'm tired. We put like 4 hours of work to like just put on simple stuff like the bumper, like wheels. Like we just did the simplest stuff. But look at her right now. Beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. That thing looks like a straight up beast. Damn, bro, we got her looking like this right now. Just for now, though. So, I literally have to drive behind him now because his registration, his yellow tag is expired. So, if we go by any cops, we gotta make sure that we don't get pulled over. So, look at all those cops. Nice, nice. That's amazing timing. I'll tell you that much. Yo.
My left front brake is making a weird noise when I brake.
That's normal, bro. That's because that's been there forever. Like that happens to me when I leave the car parked, like, and you start braking, it like makes a sound.
It's dry?
Yeah. You gotta work into it. Guys, little 0 to 5 mile per hour.
Wait.
0 to 5 mile per hour pull under this tunnel. Something's smelling on the car. We're not sure what it is. We're trying to figure it out. We still gotta put the computer on it to see whether the check engine light is on. But probably plenty of reasons. But we gotta get all of this done. Ah, shit. We're gonna get a couple runs.
I think we should go over here, right to the back.
Yeah, like how it usually goes. We're gonna clear out. We're gonna do a couple pulls, drive her around a little, see what light comes up. We're doing out here. It's literally about to pour. And this car got no hood, but I gotta get out of here. Out we go. Alright, so it literally started pouring on the other side where his house is at. Like, it literally started it just started pouring like crazy. We just pulled up to this random parking garage. And so apparently what the mechanic told us is that our radiator is bad, so that's gonna be on mission. It's leaking. The guy said the reservoir is bad too. I see it right here. That's why it comes out through here. It's a little crack. New reservoir, new radiator. Great, amazing. We're gonna be here stuck. We're gonna be stuck here for a freaking minute, bro. Got it to the garage of the crib. I put the tarp over the engine, so you know, just in case, whatever. I'm gonna tarp up. But tomorrow we're definitely gonna take his car and my car to the shop because I got something with my solenoid thing, so we're gonna get everything fixed. But right now, putting this thing on.